and welcome to the Community Co-Innovation Hub here at NUS CDE. So today I'm joined by Associate Professor James Kah from Biomedical Engineering, who will walk us through this fascinating space. So Prof Kah, can you share a bit more about yourself?
Yeah, hi, I'm James. I'm an Associate Professor from Biomedical Engineering. So I teach a couple of courses in NUS. One is on geron technology in aging, and second on assistive technology for persons with disability, and the third one is on serious games for health. And this innovation space called the Community Co-Innovation Hub is basically a space where our students do project prototyping as part of their group project in collaboration with the various community partners working in the elderly as well as the disability space. As you can see from our photo wall over here, showcasing different students group over the years and the different community partners that they work with.
So Prof Kah, can you tell us more about the facilities and tools that are available in the Co-I Hub that help the students in their project?
Sure, definitely. As you come into the lab, the first thing you see is a bunch of different wheelchairs here, and these are important learning tools that we use for our students to do modifications or retrofitting of these wheelchairs according to their various group projects to meet their client needs as part of the course. And as you go further down, you will see this gallery space where we take some of the past students' prototypes and we showcase it to our current students taking the courses for them to learn about the different challenges and for them to learn about the different design and why some of these prototypes eventually are being used in the community. So these are important learning facilities for our students as well. And over here, we also have 6 different 3D printers of different sizes for our students to do prototyping, where they'll design out their prototype on their own and send it to the printer for printing. And these printers are available for all our students to use as part of the group project. And if you go further down over here, these are all the working area for our students to do different prototyping work using different tools and equipment. We have a DC power supply and we have soldering facilities over here. These are just some of the more basic facilities where our students can actually do their prototyping work.
Earlier you mentioned the Serious Games Room. Can you tell us a bit more about what it is and how it is used in the student projects?
Sure. Welcome to the Serious Games Innovation Arcade. So this is a space where students do project under the course Serious Games for Health. Now if you come with me into this room, Serious Games for Health is basically a course where students learn how to develop games that can achieve good health and wellness outcomes. So as you can see from here, our students develop different types of games, such as card games that are able to let the players play and battle cognitive decline. And these are actually good games that are meant for people with dementia. And we also have games related to VR development. So you can also see from here, we have a student, Mabel here. She is a student in this course and she's working on one of the projects. Maybe Mabel, you want to share more about your project?
Hi, so I'm currently working on a serious game for rehab. In this game, athletes can improve their balance through an immersive and fun experience. So over here, players get to control the game using the mobile phone, and then they'll balance left and right to go through obstacles, passing through rings, collecting hearts, and through this way they get to improve their balance as well. So other than this project, we also have other students working on other projects like the virtual lab simulation, which help to enhance students' analytical lab skills.
Wow, that was very inspiring. So could I ask for a few examples of these kind of projects that have came out of Co-I Hub that have really made a difference in the community?
Sure, definitely. So as you can see over here, Fatin has been working on a retractable rain shelter for wheelchair user, and this was a project that we did with CPAS School, Cerebral Palsy Association of Singapore, for one of the students who suffering from cerebral palsy, and he finds it hard to use his hands to deploy a rain canopy over his wheelchair when he's going from his home to school when it's raining. So over here, as you can see, we make this canopy over here where there's a remote control that Fatin can just press to deploy the rain canopy, and she can then retract it back as and when she likes. And as we move on from here, we see another project. This is done for a uncle who lives nearby here in Commonwealth, and he is an amputee who finds it challenging to move around in his home and to transport himself from surfaces of different height. For example, like from the sofa to the wheelchair to the bed, and also to move himself to the kitchen counter where with his wheelchair height he's unable to reach the kitchen counter and do his chores. So Mervyn here has been working on this project called We Lift, where we actually modify this entire wheelchair. We make our own frame over here and install an office chair on it, because the client says, you know, he would like to have the feeling of sitting in an office chair because it's more comfortable, and the handrest is removable over here that will allow him to transport himself easily. Over here, Jonathan and Edwin has been working on a project called Happy Fit, and this is part of a project done as part of the course on Geron Technology in Aging, where we partner with the AAC to develop dance games that are adapted for seniors. As you can see, this Happy Fit game is a slower version of Dance Dance Revolution, and with songs that are that our seniors will find it familiar with. And you can see Edwin and Jonathan doing a demo of the Happy Fit dance games. So as the arrow falls down, they will basically step and to collect points. And this will enable the seniors to engage in physical activities to help them keep them healthy. So besides the Happy Fit, we also do other projects that are related to seniors, and in this particular project, we partner with the Parkinson's Society of Singapore to develop this rehab board, which is a semi-autonomous robot that will guide Parkinson warriors in doing their Parkinsonian gait rehabilitation. So as you can see, Joey, who is a student involved in this project, working, and rehab board is working alongside her, providing her with the visual and the audio cue to guide her in the walking gait rehab.
Thank you so much, Prof Kah, for the very insightful tour. It's amazing looking at the work being done in the Community Co-Innovation Hub, where a real impact is being made in the community through innovative projects. So before we wrap up, would you like to share anything with the prospective students that are interested to join biomedical engineering?
Sure, we welcome everybody who has this desire to make an impact in the health and wellness of people living in our community. And if you do join us, be prepared to make an impact on people's life. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.